Hello everyone, Icon Marco has entered your screen and it's good to see you all here. This is a season when the germs are flying around here, people are catching it, and sadly, I am the one that caught one, and I'm pretty sick right now. So what this video is going to be about, I'll be talking about the time panel basic tool, and how can you use it, what is it best for, and it's very useful, and it'll improve your speed of flow and editing making and stuff like that. So let's get in this computer. This first tool that everyone uses, of course, is called the selection tool. So what this tool is very special about is when you select a specific clip, and you can highlight over a clip or audio. I don't have any audio down here, but it's the same thing concept with the audio, so just keep that in mind. So this selection tool can highlight the specific clip you wanted to use, and you can move it whatever you want and just select the specific clip to move or to edit. And the shortcut for that is V. And if you want to know the shortcut of a tool, you can always customize the tool shortcut. I'll talk about that in the other video. But the tool, if you want to see the shortcut for the specific tool before we move on, you highlight over the tool without clicking on it and you can see the selection tool V. So the next tool is called Track Select tool. And the shortcut for that is A. So I'm going to click A, and you notice that it's a very useful. It saves time if you're like in a big project. Like for example, if you're in a big project and you have so much clip around there between it, and you want to insert a video right here. I want to insert a video right here. So I'm going to use the track select forward, and I want to highlight the whole clip on that specific track, and I want to move it forward so I can insert the clip here. So instead of doing forward, you can edit all the back tools instead of forward, and you can move the clip. The next tool is the ripple edit tool. The shortcut is B. So the ripple edit tool is kind of a little bit confusing, but as you will see here, it will understand better. The ripple edit tool can crop the clip or bring the back clean the clip. So I cropped this clip already, so I want to bring it back in a little bit. So I crop this way, but it's already back in, so I want to crop it a little bit. So I'm going to make it shorter, and it will bring the other clip ahead of it along with it without messing up the whole timeline. And that's very useful because if you have a big project and you're on the specific clip and you want to crop it in a little bit, you can bring it back in without undoing it, or if you mess up, you don't have to bring it back. So the very nice thing about it is bring the whole timeline and it follow along without messing up the other clip. The next tool is the rolling edit tool, and the shortcut is N. The rolling edit tool is basically the same as the ripple edit tool, but the difference is it interrupts the clip. It goes along with the clip. It interrupts the timeline panel. As for example, I'll show you. So this video is already been cropped a lot. So now I'm going to edit this clip. So I'm going to make this longer, but you see this clip over I'm highlighting, it's interrupting this clip because that's, like I said, rolling edit tool interrupt the other clip on the time panel, and it can be good for if you want to make your video at a specific time without making it longer. I don't use rolling edit tool very much because I don't like interfering with my other clip and stuff like that in the track. But if I have to make the video at a specific time, the next tool I'm talking about is the race rush tool, and the basic tool shortcut is R. So what this tool is, it controls the speed duration to your specific limit. I'm gonna play up to 57:54, so I would slow this clip down to that time, and it would slow it down to 81.79%. And that's what rate tool are very useful for if you're trying to keep your whole video to a specific time limit without extending your time limit, or very useful to play it to the beat of a music, and that what race rush tool is very useful for. The next tool is a razor tool, and it's very basic. It's a splitting up of a clip. So if I want to split this clip, I would split it, and then it would split the two clips into two different parts, and that's the razor tool. The next tool is the slide tool, and the shortcut for it is Y. So if you crop out the ending specific part of your clip, or you don't want this part of the beginning, but you want the ending part of your clip that you crop out accidentally, what the flip tool does, it moves the clip, it doesn't move the clip. So let's show you here. So I already crop out the video clip here, but I accidentally crop out Trey walking out of the water. That's my friend Trey, by the way. So I'm gonna move this back, and then it moves the clip, the actual clip, without moving the clip on the, the time panel. As you can see, there's a second video right here is where your clip is at, and the front video here is where your clip gonna be crop out here. So I want a tree to be walking out of water, and I'm pointing the fish. So, and that's the result here. It doesn't mess around with your timeline, which is very useful, and I love that tool. And it crop out the clip wherever I was at in the beginning part of that actual clip on the track. The next tool is called the slide tool, and the shortcut is U. In my opinion, the slide tool, I don't use it very at all because I don't know how to find it very useful. What it does, you pick a specific clip, and right next to it, you have to have a clip right next to it if you want to over it, and you can't have a clip after it. So I'll show you. I can't move this clip at all because this clip is connected here, so it won't let you, control it. So let me move this clip back here. So, and then if you move a clip without having a clip after it, you can control this clip and overwrite the other clip, and the stream will show you what are you cropping out. And this clip doesn't change at all. So the slide tool doesn't change the clip at all, but it will change the other one if you're overwriting it. So you overwrote this other clip here, but this clip doesn't change. But if you mess up, you can always bring it back the clip that you overwrote. Slide tool, I don't know what it's useful for. So just for you guys to know. The next tool is the pen tool, and the shortcut is P. So when I find pen tool very useful, it's useful for math, or if you want to select a specific area on the video stream here that you want to edit. I want to color grade it. So I'm going to do basic correction of color right here, the elementary color. So I'm going to select this pen tool here, and I'm going to select Bob again, of course. So let me color you here. So I'll make him a little brighter. So, and then see, it will already make it a little brighter for you here. And then everything else will make it darker. The next tool is a hand tool. And of course, the hand tool is my favorite, one of my favorite tools, because I always mess up the clip when I try look through the time panel. So what I'm talking about without messing the time panel. So it's very useful. See, if you can select the clip, you can't even select the clip. So you can move and look through the time panel. If you have lots of audio down here, you can scroll down through and then look through the clip without actually moving your clip, or accidentally clicking on it and you're moving and you just mess up the whole project. So the last tool is the text tool, and the shortcut is T. Simple. So as you can see, the text tool here, when I'm going to use it, I'm going to type in hello seashell. So that's the text tool. That's it for all the basic tool for today, and I hope you guys learned a lot for it, and I hope you found a lot useful and speed up your editing process. Hope you guys are not sick, are not one of the people of 99.99% of a population in the winter area. What should I say? Not winter area. The people that are living through the winter right now in the snow and not catching the germ that are flying around. This is the season for the germ to be flying and attacking you. Hit on that like button if your thumb is pointing up in the sky. If you haven't yet, click on that subscribe button, and if you already have, ring the bell for the notification for the future video of 2019 and so on. And if you already have that both check, all I can say is just wait for the next video. So my advice for you guys to be is be patient. Go on, scroll on to another video. Before you scroll on to the next video, click on my channel to check out my other videos. That would be a smart thing to do. I'll see you guys in the next video.